Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a homecoming get ready with me for 2019. That sounds absolutely crazy to me. I remember 2018's dance like it was literally yesterday. I do have 2 other homecoming videos that I did on my channel that were get ready with me as well, but I have no clue what happened to the 2018 video. I have been going with the same person for 3 years in a row now. And I have the 2017 vlog all linked down below. The thumbnail looks like this, and I went with Darren when we were just like best friends at that time. And then I went with him in 2018 when we were dating. And I don't know what happened to that video. I think it got like removed. I didn't delete it, but it's not up on my channel anymore and I can't find it, which sucks. I tried like looking it up on like the internet because sometimes people like download my videos and like repost them as theirs, so like I just could not find it anywhere. I actually have the thumbnail, so here's the thumbnail, but unfortunately I can't link that video down below. But it is super early in the morning right now. It's like 7:30 and I'm never up this early, you guys, especially because I'm a cyber student, but I have so much stuff to do today. I have to get my nails done before 2 o'clock, which is when my school lets out, and I just want to do it before that time because I'm assuming that they're going to be packed around that time. I also have to post a video today that isn't even filmed yet. I have to film, edit, and post all before like 5 or 6 o'clock-ish when I post. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start filming around like 8:30-ish. I'm probably gonna start to get up now and take a shower and get ready. I'm not gonna wash my hair because the hairstyle that I'm doing for homecoming, I need to take like a shower tonight, so it'll be good by tomorrow morning, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna put like a shower cap on and just get in the shower to wake me up and wash my body. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot to tell you, like, what is that? Like, you guys know that I never break out. I never have like just random spots on my face, and if I do, they go away within like 2 to 3 days. And this has been here for like probably like 5 days now. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I put on this like little headband just to make sure my hair really didn't get wet. And I'm not gonna wash my face because, as you can see, my makeup's still on and I kind of like avoided like from here on up in the shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs and use my Clean and Clear Morning Burst face wash and this like e.l.f. facial scrubber. We're running on perfect timing. It is just before 8 o'clock that I finished up, so I should have like some time to wash my face and then I'll get to filming. For anybody wondering why I didn't just shower in my downstairs bathroom like I normally do, is because we're like doing some like reconstruction down here. So the shower is currently out of use, but I can still use the sink area. I'm now gonna start to get ready filming for that one video. I still need to like remove some mascara that didn't come off and just like put on a little bit of makeup for filming and also for the rest of the day. I now removed all of my makeup and I'm now going to move on to a little bit of skincare. So I have this Neutrogena 2-minute light therapy acne treatment and I'm gonna try that. I have been doing this for the last 2 days and it seems to like help a little bit, even though it might not look it. It did look worse. It is currently 8:18, so we're running on good timing still. And I will see you guys after I'm done filming that video. Okay, so I'm now finished filming that hair video and it's now 9:43. Filming did run a little bit later than I thought it would. I had to stop for homeroom halfway at like 9:15, but I'm now finished and the video is already up by the time this video is going up. So you guys probably already know what I did. It's like these 2 Dutch braids that stop halfway and fall into my hair. I know I have to edit and post that hair video by today, but I have until like 5 and 6 o'clock to do that. I only have until 2 o'clock to do my nails, so I'm gonna probably go do that now. I don't know what color I'm gonna be doing my nails yet. My dress is like black with metallic and like glittered specks in it. I'll put a picture right here. I also posted a video where you guys were able to pick my homecoming dress. I was honestly tied between the two, so you guys helped me decide, and although they are both beautiful dresses, the black did win, and I'm actually kind of glad that it did. So I ended up picking out shoes and everything to match that. You guys will see the final result later on, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my nails done now. It's so cold. It's like 34 degrees out right now. 34 degrees out, and it's like earlier in the morning. Ever since the weather has been getting super cold, like I don't even sit with my back against the seat. Like I'm always just like this. Like, does anybody else do that? Because I do. So I just finished up at the nail salon, and it is now 11:03, and I got here around 10 o'clock, so she finished in about an hour, which is pretty good. These are the nails that I ended up going with, and I actually ended up switching the color from what I originally picked last minute because I felt like the original one that I picked was a little bit too brown, and it's really hard to find like a perfect gray that doesn't look like blue or doesn't have shades of like purple in it and stuff like that. So this is like a nice charcoal. It's not too light, but it's not too dark. It like perfectly matches the dress. I showed her a picture, and multiple people helped me like match up the colors, so they were very, very nice. Also, all this, like my nails look like that before I even went. I don't know why my nails are like that. So that's honestly it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow morning when I start actually getting ready for the dance. This was just to show me getting my nails done. It is 8:44, Saturday, November 9th, and today's the dance. Last night I took a shower and I let my hair air dry. The plan for my hair for homecoming was kind of just to let it naturally air dry because my hair is like wavy naturally, and it usually turned out like really good, but like I don't know if I like it. I'll try and style it later, and if I don't like it, I'll probably just end up straightening it because I was honestly stuck between straightening it and leaving it like this. If I sound a little bit different, I have my retainer in, so I'm gonna start to like get ready and do like the basic things like brushing my teeth. I also want to whiten my teeth because I did last night, so I want to this morning again. So I'm definitely gonna have to do something about this hair because I'm not trying to wear it like this, so I'll probably just end up straightening it. But for now, I'm gonna work on my face. I'm gonna use the same thing that I did yesterday morning. Okay, so that instantly like hydrated my lips, and it also looks like it made them a little bit more plump, which I like. I did a lip scrub last night, and that helped a bit. I might do one again this morning before I brush my teeth. Alright, so me and Darren actually decided to go to breakfast. It is 9:40. We both woke up quite early, so we have enough time to do that. We don't know where we're going yet. I'm gonna go to like an actual like place, like a sit down place, or just like a drive. Yeah? Yeah.
Drive-through.
Go to a local diner that's by us. We actually came here a couple days ago. We love going to this place, and
the sausage.
I got chocolate milk. That's what I always get. He got Coke. It's like 10 a.m. Not even 10 a.m.
I need that sugar in it.
I usually get the chocolate chip pancakes. Oh my god, they have the best. With like sausage links probably. I usually don't even look at the menu because I get the same old, same old. Every time I come here a lot. Who's paying?
I'm paying for you. It's a little treat.
I don't want you guys to think like I make him pay. Like I offer to pay and he doesn't let me. I'm paying. It's not me.
Nope.
I'll pay half.
No.
What did you get?
Western omelet, white bread, home fries, and an extra pancake.
I just got one pancake because they're really big and filling. So I'm now back from breakfast, and I was just about to start my makeup when I realized that I had this new product that I've been wanting to try, and it's the perfect time to try it. I got this Neutrogena Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Spot Gel. This video is not sponsored or anything, but I have really good experience with Neutrogena products. Like that one light therapy thing seems to really work for me. So if this can like clear this up, like not even make it go away, just like make it look not as like irritated in less than 2 hours. That'll be pretty good. I don't know if I'm supposed to like rub it in, like it has no instructions whatsoever. It says use this daily for results, but it says in 2 hours. So I'm gonna be using the same exact products that I always use whenever I do my makeup, the Second Love brow gel, as well as some eyeliner lashes, because I don't want to try anything new. It is now 11:38 and it's still quite early to put lashes and everything like that on, just because I don't want them to like fall off by 7 o'clock. It's like a long time to have lashes on. It is now 2:08 if you guys can see that. And this has now dried. It's been a couple hours. It doesn't say like how long to leave it on for. It just simply says like results within 2 hours. I'm just gonna move on to straightening my hair. That's what I decided that I wanted to do, so I'm gonna do that now. Now to cover this, I'm going to be using a green color corrector because green cancels out red. So to cover that, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible Concealer in the shade 01. Okay, so you can't even like see it or tell it's there. There's no shade difference, there's no bump. That looks good, better than I thought. I am going to throw on a bit of highlighter as well, just a little dot on the nose. And it looks like very, very natural, so I'm not going to go like too overboard with it. Okay, so we have our little glow on, and the next step would be to get into my dress and heels because that finishes my hair and my makeup. I'm not going to yet get into my dress though because it is still 2:40, not even 3 o'clock yet, so I'm gonna wait more till like 3:30-ish, so I'm ready for pictures at 4. Okay, so it got a bit dark out, so my lighting kind of went away, but it is now 4:14 if you guys can see that, and pictures were supposed to be at 4, and then just some things got delayed, so that's totally fine. I mean, we have lots of time. The dance is at 7. I'm gonna start to get dressed now, and pictures are actually at 4:30 instead, so just a half an hour late. Okay, so I'm now in the outfit, and now I'm gonna put on my shoes. These are Betty Johnson. They're super cute. They match like really good. The lighting might be throwing it off, but they're like identical in person, and it has like a cute little bow in the front. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm all ready. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you went to your homecoming this year. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching if you made it to the very end, and I love you all so much, and bye guys.